Hello friends, hope everything is fine with you guys. So in this lecture, we will understand the concept of ordering in Bootstrap 5. Yes friend. See here, I have already prepared a document. Here we have a container. Everything is inside container. Inside container we have row. We already know this thing. Now inside it we have 6 columns. Now you can notice we have a class of order hyphen something. Yes friend. This order value can be, let me just write here using a comment. Alright, so order value can be order, then hyphen, then it can be between 1 to 5, or it can be either order 1, order 2, order 3, order 4, order 5, alright, or it can be order first and order last. Okay, so what I have told you that what are the values that it can be. Now let's take a look it in action. Okay, see here we have a column which is mentioned first, but its order is 5. Alright, generally order with lower number, I mean order 1 will be placed before order 2, order 3, order 4, order 5. Okay, so it goes like this. First preference is 1, second preference is 2, then the last preference is order 5. Alright, like this. As you can see here, it is mentioned first, but its order is 5. So it will be placed later on. Again, it is mentioned second, but its order is 3. So it will be before first. Okay, so what it can be, let me just write here. Like we can imagine, right? Let's imagine first, then we will take a look practically. Okay, so till now what it is. So first we have mentioned first, which is order 5. So let's write here 5. Okay, all right. Next we have mentioned second, but its order is 3. So 3 will come first, then 5. Next we have mentioned third, but its order is last. We will come back to it just a bit later. Next we have mentioned fourth. Its order is 2. So it will come first. So till now 2. Next we have order 1, mentioned 5th. Alright. Next we have mentioned last, which is order first. So what it is? 1, 2, 3, 5. So what is order 1? Mentioned 5th. Okay. So 5th will come first. Then what is second? Mentioned 4th. So 4th will come second. Next 3. Second. See here, 3 mentioned second will come then. Then order 5, which is mentioned first. First. Okay. Now here we have got 4, right? 4 columns. Now what about order first and order last? Order first will be placed before anything, even before order 1, and order last will be placed at the last, even after order 5. So order first, which is mentioned last, will go first, and at last we will have third. Okay, third. Let me hit save. Now when we will open this document in browser, it will be like this: mentioned last, then mentioned 5th, mentioned 4th, mentioned second, mentioned first, mentioned third. Okay, let's take a look. So last, then 5, 4, 2, 1, 3. Alright. See here, last 5, 4, 2, 1, 3. Yeah, 2, 1, 3. What was it? Yeah, 2, 1, 3 only. Yeah. See, like this it happens. It is mentioned last, but its order is first. First, okay, order first. Next, mention fifth, but its order is 1. So, order 1 will have higher priority than others. So, yeah, it will be like order 1, order 2, order 3, order 4, order 5. And if we mention order first, order last, then those will be having highest priority. Okay. Order first will be placed before everything and order last will be placed after everything. Okay. So I hope that by now you have got the concept of ordering. Okay. Now the thing is that, friend, you can even combine it with breakpoints. Yes, friend. So let me copy it. Alright. Press Ctrl C to copy. Next, let me just paste it. Now, what we will have, SM. Okay. Let's mention here SM5. Next, SM3. So for small screen width, let me hit save and let's open in browser. See, these are same only, right? Now, when, no, let me write here, instead of SM, let's write here LG. Yeah, it will be better. Now, let's open in browser. See, everything is same only, right? Now, let's add one more class, and that is, for the first one, let's write here order MD. Let's write here, say 1. Okay. No, first. Order MD first. Yeah. So it will be like first, then second, then third, then fourth. It will be like this only. Okay. So this one will be second. So order MD1. Next, this one, order MD2. Next, this one, order MD3. This one, order MD4. And this one, order last. Order MD last. Okay, so let's hit save. Now let's open in browser. Now, when we will reduce the window size to medium screen width, then this ordering will change. Let me just show you. Let me show you with the responsive screen width. All right. Yeah, let's make it say 1200. Okay, now let's see, everything is same only, right? Now, next, reduce this window size. From 991, you will see change. See, friend. Mention first, then mention second, mention third, mention fourth, mention fifth, mention last. See? Because we have reordered it like this in for medium screen width. So like this, you can even add breakpoints and you can reorder for different screen widths. Okay, so that's the fun. All right, guys. So that's it, guys. I hope that now you got the concept of ordering in Bootstrap 5. And remember, its value will be between 1 to 5 or order first and order last. Okay, that's it. All right, guys. So yeah, see you in our next lecture. Till then, have fun. Take care.